Have you ever tried to pull off an all-nighters, but each and every time you try, it just failed? Pulling off an all-nighters isn't for every day. It will be harmful for your health. You need at least 8 hours of sleep. It's for those days when you have something really, really important, like it's your day before exam or presentation or meeting or something. Now you really need to study or work on those documents. Then I have a really effective hack for you. Once I had so much trouble keeping up with my chapters, my studies, content, and stuffs. But now I can work like day and night, non-stop, continuous when it's necessary. I do this when it's really, really necessary. Otherwise, I'm just a chill person who loves watching movies. Whatever, the hack is make yourself a mug full of black coffee. No milk, no sugar, no cream, nothing. Just plain black coffee. Just hot water and instant coffee. Then you will take a chocolate bar or protein bar of your choice. I'm taking Snickers here. After unpacking the chocolate bar of our choice, we are going to dip this chocolate bar into our black coffee and devour it. It might sound like an odd combination, but trust me, it tastes so good. Literally, so good. You can make your plan or do some parts of your study while having your snacks and coffee. After finishing that and after studying some part of your targeted chapters, you will have to take a power nap. I know it also sounds odd. You just had your snack. Why would you sleep? And here's the catch. If you start working just after having your snacks, then the energy might survive in you for 2 to 3 hours, but after that, you will eventually feel sleepy, tired, and lethargic. But if you take a power nap after having this, not for much longer time, only for 1 hour, just take a power nap for an hour. Then woke up, fresh up yourself, and sit to study. Trust me, it will help you study and work all night, literally. Study well, work for your career, but don't forget to give yourself some rest. You deserve it. You deserve to celebrate the hard work you put into whatever you're doing in your life. My best wishes are always with you. Hope my videos helped you and see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.